I'm Chef Chris. I really think your family will love this hearty dish. This hearty slow cooker beef stew will take about 20 minutes to prepare and 5.5 hours to cook. For this dish, we're going to use 1 tub of Knorr home style stock, beef, 3¼ cups water, 1.5 pounds of boneless beef stew meat cut into 1-inch pieces, ground black pepper, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 pound of medium potatoes cut into cubes, 4 medium carrots, sliced, 2 medium onions cut into wedges, 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme leaves, 1 bay leaf crushed, 1 cup of thawed frozen green peas. This hearty stew promises to become a family favorite. So if you're ready, let's begin. Place the Knorr home style stock, beef, in a bowl. Pour 3¼ cups of boiling water over the stock and stir until it's dissolved. Then set the beef broth aside. Now season the pieces of beef with ground black pepper and coat with 2 of the 4 tablespoons of flour. Heat the oil in a 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat and brown the beef in 2 batches, stirring frequently. Once the beef is brown, set it aside. Now, dice the potatoes. Cut the onions into wedges and slice the carrots. Finally chop the cloves of garlic. Then place the potatoes, carrots, onions, and the garlic into a 5-quart slow cooker. Add the beef, 3 cups of the beef broth, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, the thyme, and the crushed bay leaf. Cover and cook on high for 5 hours, or until the beef is tender. Then remove the bay leaf. Blend the remaining beef broth with the 2 remaining tablespoons of flour until smooth. Stir this flour mixture into the stew and add the peas. Cover and cook on high for an additional 15 minutes or until the mixture thickens. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy.